Well, figured I can take a picture of the guys blowing in the insulation. Pretty impressive. Oh yeah. Looks like a little blanket. A little fuzzy blanket. Oh yeah, this goes real quick. Real quick. Damn. Look how tight that is. It's amazingly tight. Oh yeah. Guy's done this before. And realize that there's spray foam, 2 inches of spray foam on the other side. All right. Very impressive. This is gonna be one warm little house. Oh. Now that was not a good thing. He didn't want it spitting out the side into the window. Now he's gonna nail. Cut? What is he gonna do? He's cutting. Oh, he's getting rid of the insulation. I guess it didn't get stapled. Yeah, that's my guess. Well, you figure you got thousands of staples, things do go to shit sometimes.